Do you know that you can be able to change your face to a funny face like this on a video? Like this one. This person's face you are seeing here is not her real face. So I'm going to show you how to change your own face like this on CapCut. So let me take you to CapCut and show you how to go about it. Come to CapCut like this, add new project, click on it. After clicking on it, go to the video that you want to change your face to that particular funny face. Okay, let's say, let me put this video. Okay, if you import your video like this, you click on the video. After clicking on the video, you scroll, you come to this particular effect, you click on effect, you click on it. After clicking on effect like this, you click on this body effect. After clicking on body effect, you wait for it like this. So here you come and scroll to this, to the last part like this. Then you see this particular place, funny face. Click on funny face. After clicking on funny face, you see the face here. Okay, see my face have changed from the video there. You can see the face have already changed. You are able to put it to this second one. The face also changed, but it is not that much. Okay, the third one. See, okay, see the worst face here. This one changed a lot. Okay, see the fourth one here. Okay, okay, see the fifth one. You can see. Okay, see the sixth. Okay, so see the seven here. You can see. So if you are good with the one that you want, you will now, let's say if this one, I like this one, you just come and click on export and you will export into your phone like this. Let's wait for it a little bit. You can see it has exported. Then you can come to your file. So guys, like this, come and check it. Here is it. Here is the video here. So this is how to go about this. So if you learn something here, please kindly like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.